In a lot of my Amazfit videos, I get comments from users about issues like not being able to pair their Amazfit watches to their phones. So I decided once and for all to make a troubleshooting video answering most of the frequently asked questions. Let's start with the most commonly asked question: how to pair your Amazfit watch without a QR code? Actually, it is quite simple. On the pairing page, select the watch without QR code option instead of watch with QR code option. On the next screen, the app will look for your watch, and once it pops up, tap on it. This will send a pairing request on your watch. You would need to accept it either by pressing a button or by pressing the tick icon on the screen. Different Amazfit watches offer different ways to confirm the pairing process. Now, not every smartwatch can be paired with a QR code like Amazfit Pace. Unfortunately, I don't have Amazfit Pace in this studio, but I found an excellent thread for the same in the OnePlus community forum. I would be leaving the link for the same in the description below. So basically, the issue is that Amazfit Pace has issues connecting with Android version 8.0 and above. The only way to connect is by pairing the watch to an older device. Some users recommended connecting the Amazfit Pace to an old device and updating it to the latest firmware. This apparently allows the watch to connect with newer phones. However, I don't think it will work, so you will have to pair it with an older phone. By the way, this issue is present in the most first generation Amazfit device like Amazfit GTR 47mm variant as well. These watches no longer work properly with modern smartphones. Another issue that you might face is unable to pair your watch to your new phone. If you sell your old phone without unpairing your new Amazfit watch, then chances are you can't pair it anymore. Worry not, the solution is pretty easy too. Go to the watch settings and reset your Amazfit smartwatch. Once reset, you can connect your Amazfit smartwatch to a new device again. If you have tried all the previous steps and still not able to connect the Amazfit watch, then starting from the scratch is recommended. First, go to your phone's Bluetooth settings and make sure your watch is not connected. If it is, then unpair or forget the watch. This will be applicable to both Android and iOS devices. Next, on Android, I would recommend clearing the app data and turning off the Bluetooth. On Apple device, I would recommend deleting the app and then turning off the Bluetooth. Now restart your phone, reinstall the Zepp app, log into the Zepp account and try pairing the phone to the watch again. This should fix the pairing issue with the watch. If it still doesn't work, then I would recommend getting it checked by authorized customer care personnel. Hopefully you were able to fix the issue using the tutorial video. I have made various other troubleshooting videos like how to fix Java not syncing on Amazfit or setup calling feature on Amazfit GTR 4. I would leave the link for the same in the description box below. Check them out. With that, it's time to say goodbye. See you here next time.